Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for all your Apple devices. Today, we're diving into something that's been a hot topic: how to change your iCloud email name in 2025. Whether you're updating for a new job, personal reasons, or just want a fresh look, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to understand that changing your iCloud email name isn't about altering the actual email address, like your name at iCloud.com, but rather updating the display name associated with your Apple ID. This is super useful for how your emails appear to others. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your iPhone, iPad, or even a Mac with your Apple ID. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your device. It's that gear icon you see on your home screen. Once you're in, tap on your name at the very top. That's your Apple ID profile. Step 2. Scroll down and select Name, Phone Numbers, and Email. Here, you'll see your current full name displayed. Tap on it to edit. Step 3. Enter your new first name, last name, or both. Apple might ask you to verify your identity, so have your password or two-factor authentication ready. Once you've made the changes, hit Done or Save to confirm. Step 4. If you're doing this on a computer, head over to appleid.apple.com, sign in, and navigate to the Personal Information section to make the same updates. Remember, changes might take a few minutes to sync across all your devices. Now, a quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the change not sticking, double-check that you're using the latest iOS or macOS update, as Apple often tweaks these features. Also, note that you can't change the core part of your iCloud email address itself. For that, you'd need to create a new Apple ID. There you have it. That's how you update your iCloud email name in 2025. It's a straightforward process that keeps your digital identity fresh. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Apple tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.